Hi everyone. As a student, the 2021 year has not been so good. The reason being, exams have been postponed so many times, it really has affected the tempo of any student. In this video, we'll talk about the probable dates of the 2021 exam and what you can do just to avoid that distraction that you might have with the postponement news coming every now and then. Well, what has happened over the time is a few students had approached the PMO and had requested because everything has gone well. So let's prepone the exam of 2021. It is just a suggestion. Now, secondly, as you all understand yourself also, this is the right time. It's the best time, in fact. In 2020 and 2021, I think this is the best time. If you talk about the various cities which were so poorly affected with the NEET COVID cases, this is the best time to conduct any exam, isn't it? But the question is, when the PMO had clearly said that it would be extending the exam not before, it was very clearly stated, not before the 1st September, how can now they change the statement? So it's very, very unlikely the same thing will happen. So don't just go by the news or the rumors that NEET PG 2021 will be preponed. I really don't think it will happen. But what are the things that you should take care of? Recently, I had conducted this typical, quiz, or you can say a voting in my Telegram group, in which I asked what are the probable cutoffs that will happen in the INI-CET and the PG 2021 exam. And you'll see 83% of my students voted it will surely go up from the last year. And the reason is very clear. Recently I took a TND and I was surprised on the preparation level of our students now. That means because of multiple revision time they're getting, they are actually able to study more, and surely the cutoff will go up. Well, if you talk about the NEET dates that are probably going to be happening, I personally think it should happen in the first or second week of September. Reason being, see, the government has clearly told you that it will give a notification 1 month before. You see, yesterday only the PMO cabinet has changed and our health minister also had resigned. Coming over is the new health minister. Now he will just take in the charge and will ensure the NEET PG is now done at the right time, which was actually proposed to them in a right manner. Secondly, as a student, what you should do? Please understand, it's a competitive exam. It doesn't matter how much you are prepared. It only matters how much you can prepare more from your friends. That means because everyone is studying, there's no at all. There's no way you can relax a bit. Yes, you were having a poor health. It's okay. Now you have recovered. If you have recovered, please start now. See, 1 month extra to a student who is just an average preparation can give him that extra edge over anyone else who has just got demotivated and is not able to study. Please ensure, friends, you have a right time schedule. In a time schedule, you should be able to devote at least 8 to 12 hours of a study every day. If you are one of those, believe me, you will surely come out the winner. Ensure that you don't waste any time. Ensure that you have a proper study schedule, and ensure that you do not feel the way that it is not possible for you to study more. Because if that is what you're thinking now, things will become very, very difficult. What do you want from me? Let me know in the comment box below. I'll put those videos which can help you to revise every time that you want to, and anything that you want to help you in your preparation, because that should not be anything less than the best. With all the best wishes, take care, goodbye, and God bless you all.